Hey guys, this is Bryan with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're looking at a carburetor that is heavily dirty at the moment. I mean, we got dirt, we got oil, grease, all that muck, including some rusted areas as well. We're going to be polishing this carburetor with glass bead, and let's see how that turns out with the vapor honing process. Hey guys, back again. This is Bryan with Vapor Honing Technology. We're looking at this now beautiful carburetor that we just finished polishing up, and also taking notice of these threaded areas. I mean, this came out so beautiful as the vapor honing process complements such sensitive parts on your application you're going to be working on. Also notice that it really took care of any rusting effect that was kicking in on this carburetor as well. You know, we're working on some brass, soft metal, and that took care of the job in one shot. This process took literally less than 40 seconds to get this job done with this type of outcome. Give us a call at 828-202-5563. We got an entire team that's ready to assist.